up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster construction update. And as we can see, the band is playing. It is reopening day, June 5th, and we are here. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. And hello again, Islands of Adventure. Of course, if we want to see what's going on with Jurassic, we got to come here. Ticket lines over here are not too bad. Hello? And we're entering the queue so we can get in the park. Well, would you look at that? Both sides are open. No wait, we'll be right in. Yep, no wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 7 p.m. and we can see Incredible Hulk 5 minutes, Storm Force 5 minutes, Spider-Man 15 minutes, Heat Flyers 5 minutes, Forbidden Journey 25 minutes, 35 minutes for Poseidon's Fury, some of the smaller attractions 5 minutes and 10 minutes for the Hogwarts Express. Jurassic Park River Adventure is 5 minutes and Deadly Do Rides also 5 minutes. Not bad. Well, check this out guys. More track has been added for the Jurassic roller coaster project. In fact, we can see that HEARTLINE roll now in place over the water. Looks amazing. For the oscillating helix has slowed down just a little bit, but that's okay. I would much rather have a HEARTLINE roll. Good news everybody, as it looks like somebody watched our video and saw the weeds. They're all gone. Hulk looking beautiful. And just like a couple days ago, we have some of our favorite characters here. Yeah, good to see you guys. You having a wonderful day? Good to be back. Good to have you here as well. Thank you for being here. Popeye and Bluto's is open, 5-minute wait. And if we want a really good view of Jurassic, it's down this way. Unfortunately, Me Ship the Olive is still closed. Hopefully that's gonna reopen soon. Alright, so now we're down over by the waterfront and just look at this view. Insane. Another track piece going in.
Skull Island, Rana Kong, and the big guy currently has a virtual queue as well as a standby. But hey, it's an operation and not that bad of a wait. All right, so here we are over by the Jurassic Park River Adventure, and we can see all those supports and track for the Jurassic roller coaster project. Looks awesome. The new locker area over by Forbidden Journey has not seen any work since I've been here over the last couple days. Looks like that's stalled just a little bit. Well, this is the line for Haggards right now. It does have a virtual queue. We got in the park at 10 o'clock and reserved the time for 1:40. So yes, you don't have to be here right at park opening, and you can still get a chance to ride it. And here we go. Hello, how you doing? Hello.
If you happen to have any questions, please speak nearest stop.
Well, pre-shows are not currently being used. That's all right though. All right, so it's only been maybe 10 minutes and we're already in this room. Line is moving incredibly fast.
Abnormal blood pressure or a back or neck condition. If you're expecting health, or if you're prone to motion sickness or dizziness,
All right, so another couple minutes and we're in this room. Line really moving. It's only taken 20 minutes so far. And here we go, 20 minutes later, and we're on the ride. Not bad. Alrighty guys, so we just had a chance to ride Haggards Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure with the virtual queue. Again, got in line right around 1:35, 1:40 or so. Reserved the time at 10 a.m. and it took 20 to 25 minutes. We stopped right outside the station area where the AC is, and that's all it took. 20, 25 minutes and we were on. So awesome job by Universal and their staff. Good stuff. We didn't show this in our last update, but we have a U-Rest area right over here by Lost Continent. So where Sinbad Theater was, well, that's where you can go. Well, would you look at that? Yet another piece of track going in right now. So we're back over here by the viewing area for Popeyes, and there's that new piece of track that they just installed. We saw it over by Mythos flying through the air. Sure enough, it's in place now. So there we have it, guys. Crews have installed about 4 or 5 pieces of track just this morning. Cannot believe the amount of progress that they're doing on this coaster, and there's going to be a lot more over the coming weeks. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster project construction update. And as we saw, crews installed that HEARTLINE roll over the water and a bunch of new track. Of course, we've been here over the last couple days following all the construction. You can check it out on all of our social medias and our YouTube, of course. We'll have many more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.